Hi Choice Kitchen, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are going to be cooking moi-moi. So here is my black eyed pea beans. I'm adding 4 cups of black eyed pea beans to my bowl. After adding that, I'll put water and leave it to soak for 3 minutes. Give it a stir. Here is 3 minutes already, so I'm going to be transferring the beans to my mixer. And I will add in some water and cover to blend. So blend until you see the skin is going out of the beans. Please, as you watch this video, don't hesitate to subscribe to my channel, share the video, comment, let me know where you're watching from. Please share. Thank you. So guys, the first batch is done blending, as you can see. So I'm going to take it out and add another batch. So we keep blending until the whole beans has been blended. So guys, after blending, you want to pour your beans into a clean water, and start to strain the beans to take out all the excess bits on it, as in to take out the shaft from the beans. The black eyed pea, you take it out from the beans. You can do that approximately 4 to 5 times with water and your shifter. So I'm not going to be adding that part to the video because it will take too long and the video will be too long. So it's very easy. I've done this before on a video on my YouTube page on a moi-moi, the same process. So if you want to see how the beans is cleaned like this, go to my page and just search how to make how to clean moi-moi. You see how I did it. So at the beginning we used the plastic teeth, which is this one. So that is what we use in cracking the beans. That's why the beans didn't blend. So now we are going to be using the metal teeth, the main teeth, to blend the beans. So now we will start off by adding my bell pepper, onions to blend. Add some water, cover the blender and start blending. So at this point, this is how the beans has blended proper, really good. So after blending, I'm going to pour out the beans to a clean bowl for the next step. Take out the blended beans and pour it out to a clean bowl. As you can see how soft and blend the beans was blended. So this is the beans, well blended. It was a lot. So I'm going to start off by adding my ingredients to the beans. So right now I've just added my mixture. My mixture contains curry, Maggi cube and black pepper. So I've just added salt. Now I'm adding oil. The reason why I mixed the curry powder and Maggi cube together, because it would dissolve the Maggi cube. You know, sometimes when we add it like that straight away, it ends up settling at the bottom. So to stop that, I like to mix my curry and Maggi together to dissolve it in the water before I add it straight to the moi-moi. So continue mixing until you get the real consistency you are looking for. So this is the moi-moi I'm adding warm water keep mixing. It's not good for your moi-moi to be so thick. It would end up being very hard when you make it so thick. So it's good to make it watery. So right now I'm done mixing the moi-moi. This is the can I'm going to use to prepare it. It's a tomato tin. I washed it and greased the inside with oil. Now I'm adding my moi-moi into the can. So after doing that, I'll put that straight to the oven and cook for 30 minutes. So after adding the moi-moi, you want to add in the next ingredients. I will be using egg as my protein. So I'm adding my eggs. Please share the video as you watch and subscribe. Give me a comment. Let me know where you're watching from. So after adding the eggs, now I'm pouring hot water to my baking tray. So as you can see, I've just transferred it to my oven. So I'm going to bake until it's cooked. Now it's cooked. Sorry guys, it was a bit the egg was a bit burny, but it was okay. As you can see how beautiful, delicious. It was delicious. Please give it a try and thank me later. I do normally prepare my moi-moi in the pot, but I decided to use oven and it turned out good. Thank you.